challenges faced by fabrication industries is the productivity, dependency on labor, and when it comes to bevel, the accuracy of the angle, the welding time or how much welding time is consumed for the production. My name is Likhith K Joseph, Director of Sales at Winarc Cutting System. So we have a model called WinTube, which is equipped with a 3 kilowatt bevel cutting machine. So the major advantages when you use a WinTube cutting machine is you can do a chamfering cutting in your tubes. So you can cut round tubes, square tube, rectangular, I-beam, L-angle, C-channel in this. So the degree of beveling can be plus or minus 45 degree, plus or minus 30 degree. Winarc Cutting System was founded in the year 2018 as a CNC plasma cutting machine manufacturer. Gradually, we entered the sheet metal industry with the CNC fiber laser cutting machine. So I personally invite you all to the HIMTEX exhibition happening at Hyderabad from August 20 to 24. So we are at hall number 4, stall number DF67.